press the bell icon so that you'll get a notification whenever I'll upload a video. I'm very thankful to all my subscribers and viewers. I'm very happy to because I got all the positive feedbacks for my last video. The video quality is good and the audio is also good. Today my background is not that good and may not be, the video quality may not be that good also. So please ignore my background and my video quality. I am very audible to you all because I am so energetic, right? So yes, moving on further, I am a physiotherapist. So many people have suggested me to tell my profession because even I didn't have any introduction video on myself. So I'm a student of physiotherapy and I want to, the main motto of my channel is to educate the people to live happy and healthy life. So hope it may be helpful to you all. And moving on further, so what are vitamins and what are the vitamins benefits to the skin, which vitamins help the skin to look see, being fair is not, being fair is good, but having an even skin tone, having a good skin is more important than being fair, right? Having a glowing skin. See, the main impact of the people or a person is that not the fairness, the glow, even skin tone and all. These are the main things. Even I consider those. I am not that fair. I am dark actually. So yes, what are the vitamins? Vitamins are the organic substances that each and every organism should need to fight against the metabolism. So we all know that we should have vitamins, we should take vitamins, right? So but we don't know what quantity or what are the vitamins that are good for skin. Everybody knows that vitamin C is good for skin, right? But there are many vitamins that are better than vitamin C, right? So today I am going to tell you all about that. And vitamins are classified, there are 13 vitamins, and vitamins are classified into two types, fat soluble and water soluble. Fat soluble vitamins are 4 types, 4 and water soluble are 8. Fat soluble vitamins are A, D, E, K and water soluble vitamins are 8 vitamins, so 8 types of vitamin B. Vitamin B1, B2, B4, B12, B8, like that. So, moving on further, what are the vitamins that are good for the skin? Vitamins that are good for the body? Any idea? Okay, I'll tell you. Vitamins that are good for the body are vitamin A, B, C, D, E, K, folic acid and calcium. Vitamin A helps us for growth and development, good eyesight and also glowing skin. This may people don't know. And vitamin B is for immune system. It gives us energy. So vitamin B is helpful for this, helpful for us to fight against the COVID. So please take vitamin B supplements more through intake or the vitamins that helps our skin to look fresh and feel good is riboflavin, niacin and also vitamin C and also zinc. So which vitamin is the best for the skin is vitamin C because it reduces our dark spots and all, and it also helps for the even skin tone. So many people have skin tones like, I can't tell. So that's it. And what are the vitamins that are increases the melanin? Melanin is a substance. If the melanin is increased, you look darker. So what are the things is antioxidants? Vitamin A is the thing that increases the melanin production in our body. And what is the vitamin good for the skin is zinc. Zinc also helps us to reduce acne. And in my next upcoming video, I want to share all with what are the things we should eat to get our skin white naturally, and also what are the juices or anything to drink, and what are the vitamins causes acne, and which vitamins we should intake to reduce acne, and all I am going to tell you all in the part 2 video. This is the part 1 video, and next video will be the part 2. Hope you all like this video. If you like this video, give a big thumbs up. Love you all. Stay safe.